welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys 10 random facts about me, some things that you guys may or may have not known about your girl. So if you guys are new, then welcome to my channel. I am ShesPrettyRedd, aka Aviel. If you guys are an oldie but a goodie, thanks you guys so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. If you guys want to know 10 random facts about me, then go ahead and continue to watch this video. Don't forget, you guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so random fact number 1 is that I have 7 beautiful children. I am also pregnant with baby number 8, you guys. Some of you may or may not know that one of my children actually passed away, which is my daughter. She passed away in 2015. So yeah, but I have 7 beautiful children. So yeah, random fact number 2, you guys, my favorite TV show to date to watch on TV, if I'm watching TV, is Sisters, you guys. I love me some Sisters. I have been so addicted and I'm so glad that they finally came back with the next season. So yes, I have been watching that show since it came out. Okay, like I am stuck on Sisters, period. Okay. Random fact number 3 is that I love to put lotion on my hands and feet. Oh my goodness. But yes, you guys, I love to put lotion on my hands and feet. Babe, I always ask babe, like, what did you think when you first realized that I had a lotion addiction? Because I was like, can you go to the store and give me some lotion? Can you go to the store and give me some lotion? Like he was like, I didn't know you was addicted until we was in the hospital and you was giving birth and you told your mom, because I didn't have any lotion, y'all. I forgot what pregnancy this was. I have to ask babe to remind me, but I had asked my mom. I was like, Mom, can you please put some conditioner on my feet? So yeah, don't judge me, you guys. But yes, I am addicted to lotion. So you guys, random fact number 4, you guys, is that I am not a smoker, but I am definitely an occasional drinker where I like my wine and then I like my little fruity drinks. Okay, like I would drink like for my birthday, like if I'm going out, you know, I might have me a little drink or 2. But yes, I am an occasional drinker, but I don't smoke. Random fact number 5 is that I love y'all, I love slow music. I don't care what day. Well, let me rephrase that. I love slow music and I love gospel music, you guys. Like on Sundays, me and babe will be riding, we'll listen to our gospel music and stuff. And on the days where I'm just feeling in love, you know how us ladies, we be feeling in love and stuff, you just want to listen to your little slow jams. So I love to listen to slow music. So yeah, that's random fact number 5. So random fact number 6, you guys, is I am from Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I was born in Brooklyn, but I was raised in North Carolina, if that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, so random fact number 7, how old do I look, y'all? How old do I look? Okay, no, random fact number 7, you guys, I am 29 years old. Some people say I look a little older, some people say I look a little younger, but I am 29 years of age. Thank God for letting me live to see 29 years. Yeah, so that's random fact number 7. Random fact number 8 is I am, y'all, I am a cheapskate. Every time, like for myself, like for my kids, I would splurge all day. For babe, I would splurge all day. And for other people, you know what I'm saying? But for myself, we'll go in the store and he'll be like, babe, pick out an outfit. And I'm just so cheap. I'm just like, not that. Not that. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna start spending a coin or 2 on myself because I deserve it. But yes, you guys, I'm definitely a cheapskate. But I think I'm gonna get out of that, you know? Okay, you guys, so random fact number 9 is that I love seafood. I don't know what it is, but seafood is my favorite, y'all. I love me some crab legs. I love me some shrimp. I just love seafood. I love, what is it? God, salmon. I just love me some seafood. Like, I can eat seafood all day long. And y'all, I've been craving seafood for probably like a month or two, and I don't know why. We'll go out, baby, like, what you want to eat? We'll go to different restaurants, you guys, and I never get seafood. I don't even know why. I always get fish and stuff like that, but fish, I'm not going to say fish because I'm talking about crab legs and I'm talking about shrimp. I love that, y'all. It's so good. Why is it so good? I don't know, but that's what I like. Random fact number 10 is that I am, and this is number 10, I am a neat freak. My house has to be in order. Like, you can ask my kids, like, we literally clean this house up probably, well, not even clean, because if it's not dirty, you have nothing to really clean, but we literally straighten up this house every day, and I have to sanitize every day. Since having COVID, baby, I sanitize every day. And it's crazy because I was sanitizing every day to begin with, but yeah, I'm a neat freak. I love everything in order. I love my house clean. I love my kids' room clean. I love their bathroom clean. If this stuff is not in order, then they already know mommy is not happy. And you know, everybody want mommy happy, right? So yeah, you guys, that is 10 random facts about me. I hope you guys feel like you know me a little bit more. Do you feel like you know me a little bit more? I hope you guys do. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I know you guys see my vlogs. I don't know if I'm thinking about bringing my hair videos back. Let me know if you guys want to see that again. Yeah, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.